Welcome to our One Paella channel. I'm Jay and today we're cooking the cod and cauliflower paella. The ingredients for the cod and cauliflower paella are paella rice, chopped tomatoes, onion and garlic, cod, cauliflower, and the rest of the Spanish ingredients such as paprika, saffron, and paella mix, and fish stock. So let's get on with the cod and cauliflower paella. We have a few cod fillets that we want to put through the pan for a bit. While we wait for the fish to cook, let's hear some of that Spanish music. iwantpaella.eu, where not only we have a paella blog, but we also sell paella pans, paella burners, spices, beer, wine, and much more. So don't miss out and come visit us at iwantpaella.eu. Okay, we're gonna take our cod out now and we're gonna add it a bit later again. Alright. Let's add our onion and garlic. Let's add our chopped tomatoes. Let's mix it up with the garlic and the onion. Okay, we're gonna add half a teaspoon of paprika. Alright. We're gonna add an envelope of pure saffron. Okay, there you go. Just a little bit, and let's add our paella mix that you can get at our store iwantpaella.eu. This one is for 4 portions, so we're gonna add it all. All right, let's mix it up. Okay. Let's add our paella rice, 300 grams, because we're making 3 portions. Let's add our fish stock. Slowly. We're gonna add 900 milliliters. Because we're using 300 grams of rice. So we're gonna leave a bit at the end, some 150 milliliters, in case we need to add it up. Let's shake that pan a bit. All right, to distribute carefully because the paella burner power is at the maximum level right now. While that boils, let's add a bit of salt. All right, there should be plenty. And we're gonna start adding our cauliflower. While that boils, let's listen to that wonderful Spanish music. Let's try the rice for the first time with a clean spoon. That rice is around 50% cooked, so it's a good time to bring back the cod into the paella. And let's add the little juice that is on our tray. That adds extra flavor to the mix. Okay, and let's add a little surprise that I have for you, some small shrimp. It's just to have a bit of seafood in it. Okay, let's give it a bit of a shake. Alright, I'm gonna start to turn over some of our fish and shrimp. There we go. Or just sink them in. There you go. Alright, we've turned over all of our fish and shrimp, so I'm gonna lower our paella burner power down to 30% now, all the way through until the end of the paella. Something like that. Okay. Let's add a bit more of our fish stock, just a bit, not too much. And we have left around 50 milliliters of fish stock, so therefore we use around 950 milliliters for this recipe with 300 grams of rice. Okay? Let's keep working on this. Let's try the rice for the second time with a clean spoon in a different place. Here, for example. Okay. That rice is around 70%, so we still need a bit more cooking. Let's enjoy the Spanish music. Let's give it a bit of a shake. Let's try the rice for the third time with a clean spoon in a different place. Here. Okay guys, that's around 80%. So we're gonna cook it until it's 85 to 90%, so it should be a couple of more minutes simmering at 30% of our paella burner. Okay guys, our paella is done. I'm actually gonna turn off the paella burner now. So I'm gonna give it the last shake and then I'm gonna bring it to our counter. Okay guys, here is our cod and cauliflower paella. Doesn't that look delicious? I'm gonna serve it on our plate now so that you can see what it would look like if you were about to eat it. Time to serve our cod and cauliflower paella. Okay. Oh, look at that. Bit of cauliflower on top. Okay, guys. Doesn't that look fantastic? This is Jay signing off, hoping you love this cod and cauliflower paella. Thank you very much for watching and hopefully see you very, very soon.